Hey everyone, and welcome to my newest video. I would like to do a room tour update and let you see what has changed and what my room looks like now. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is the majestic door to my room, and this is what it looks like when you open the door. Yeah, well, so you've seen the door, and now here is a place which I haven't sorted out yet, but I have my programming books here because I'm a software engineer, for those who don't know. And I also have a vase here which I liked, but I have nothing in it. And here is my Lego. So here is my wildflower bouquet Lego. And I also have it powered up by LEDs so that it lights up and looks beautiful. And here are also these small tiny plants from Lego. I love those. And on the top here, my favorite painting from Vincent van Gogh. And you can see that I also lit it up. It was a hard job. So I'm gonna move the softbox aside so you can see it kinda in the dark. And I'm gonna lower the brightness. Beautiful, right? Here's kind of my working area. I have a laptop here, which I'm testing out from MSI. I do have my Amazon Alexa here. My camera is resting here, and I also have a lamp here, which I just haven't found a place for yet. And this is, well, my charging station. So it looks the way it looks because it serves a purpose, and yeah, that's it. Okay, next area, here is my Lego, the original bouquet. I haven't used LEDs in this one yet. I have a candle here and also my iPad, which I'm trying to sell, and the packaging from the new iPad Pro and from the new Pencil Pro, which are game changers. So if you don't know whether to purchase a new iPad Pro, then watch my video. I do have a review on basically both of them, and I also compare them, so the 22 version and the 24 version. Here are just some drawers with like cables and stuff you need. Like I do have my knife here and the fluids for cleaning your monitors, and also have some fidget toys here because I like to bite my nails when I'm stressed, so this is kind of like against it. So yeah, if you're into fidgets, then this is definitely a good thing. I also have my SD cards here, and yeah, when I want to light up a candle or when I want to open a beer, you know, just the stuff you need. Then here is my cable drawer. It looks like a mess, but it's organized, I promise. And yeah, these are just like all the cables I might need. Then in this drawer, I have my Instax 360 cameras, also my wireless microphones, batteries, some more Insta 360 equipment. By the way, this is such a good thing. Like, it's from IKEA, where you can just like put it into your drawer. This is a Malm drawer, but I guess it fits many, so it's a great thing to get. And here in the last one are some electronics. Like, here is my Nintendo, which I tried to repair. I actually repaired it, but I just found out that some contacts are like fried, so it won't work again. But I got it working, like it lights up, so yeah. And here I also have like the remote control for my Lego, which I have to set up so that I can light them up like remotely. And yeah, then here's some more electronics for Christmas. So this is a Christmas star, for example. I also have a tree and other things. And also I have my Lego pieces here, my Lego separators, etc, etc. I know it looks like a mess, but I promise you, like, it's not a mess. Like, I know where I have everything, and that's what counts. I'm also trying to keep it real here because I know I don't have the most aesthetic setup, but I do think that my setup or my room in general is kind of interesting. It could inspire you, so that's why I'm doing this video. And also so that I can remember what I had here and so that I see my progress throughout the years. Here are my camera stands because I don't have another place to put them in. And here is my tissue box, my real orchid, not my Lego orchid, and this is basically my view into the garden, so it's really pretty, and when it's raining it's super nice. And now it's It was raining a few minutes ago, so yeah, it was nice. Now moving to my second most liked area, and that's the couch. This is a mega sofa, that's what it's called, like, and I got it at Mobilix, but I think that you can get one anywhere actually. Here is my bird of paradise plant. This is not Lego, this is a real one. And here is, again, my testing area because I've recently received the Insta360 X4. So I'm testing it out and filming some footage. So that's why it's here. But this is basically like the table, which is like next to the couch. So I have all the necessary items there. For example, like my notebook, which I don't really use, but it looks cute. And I'm a Slytherin, yes. And here is my iPad and also the hub where I plug in my USB, which has the micro SD card in there so that I can like transfer files from my camera to the iPad because I edit on my iPad, yes, and I love editing on my iPad. When you're a software engineer and you're sitting behind your desk for the whole day, and then you're also a content creator on top, you don't want to sit like behind the desktop for the whole day. So I like to just, you know, sip on coffee, lay on the couch and edit my videos. I do have it quite colorful here. So before I had kind of like neutral pillows here, and now they're a bit colorful because it was spring and it's summer and, you know, everything is nice and colorful. And yeah, here is my squishmallow, and I also have this blanket here, and the reason for it is I need one blanket for the couch. I love laying under blankets, so I just need 2 blankets. And the second one, this is one I received from Nintendo, and it's very thin, but still like it makes you feel warm. And I usually just have it here on my chair because when I'm cold and I'm sitting behind my desktop, I always use this. By the way, I think that this part looks pretty aesthetic. You tell me. Okay, so yeah, this is my couch. And here on the top is my bird of paradise made out of a Lego, and my sunset lamp, which is pointing at the wall kind of weirdly, but yeah, it's just like for a nice aesthetic of like the sun going down or something. It looks better in person. And then I also have like, these are kind of like eucalyptus leaves, I think, and these have a light strip in them also, so you can just light them up, but I never do because it's battery powered. And then here is just like a hanging plant. Oh, and here a lot of you said I should show the ceiling, so here is the ceiling. I love it too, so that's why I did not do anything with it. I didn't renovate, I didn't put another lamp in there. I just like it, it looks nice. Now we're coming to this part, and that's my setup. So yeah, what's new here is definitely the matrix, which is behind. I currently don't like the way it looks. Like if you look this way, I think it looks much nicer when there are no lights in there, because yeah, it just looks a little bit plasticky here. So I just need to put all the strings into the spaces between the wooden things. Sorry, I'm not a native English speaker, I don't know what it's called. So like between the paneling, this just looks a little bit cheap, I think. Like it looks perfect when you are further away, but yeah, like the close view is not that nice. Okay, and here we come. So this is my beloved roti chair, and for them you can also get these cushions for your hands, and these are a game changer because it's like so comfortable. Then I have a footrest there, that's a must. If you're wondering what this cable is, this goes into my camera from the microphone, so that's why I have it laying here, because I need a long cable. And then the second cable down there is for my walking pad, which I have here. And this is my newest thing in the setup. I used to have a walking pad before, but the issue with my old walking pad was that it also had these bars so you can run, so you can like hold yourself and be running, and that's why it was pretty heavy and pretty bulky. So I changed it up for this one. This is from T-Wheels, and it just looks nice because it has wooden sides and it works really well. It has a nice display, it has a nice remote. I also have some hanging plants here, but these are fake. I have 2 of them. And this is my 57-inch Samsung Odyssey Neo G9. I don't think I had this one when I was doing the first setup tour. Here's my Rode arm, here is my work laptop, here is my acrylic coaster for my coffee. Then here's like my BenQ controller, so that when I turn it on, it lights up this bar, which is there, and then it lights up the keyboard. So I don't really use it like for coding or anything, but when I'm doing like videos of me typing on keyboards, because I'm also testing keyboards, then well, it lights it up, so it's nice. Then there's my Sonos soundbar, then there's this beautiful coffee desk mat from Kinetic Labs, my beautiful keyboard from Kinetic Labs. I love the sound. Then my mouse from Logitech, it's the G502X, and yeah, here is my desktop. Not much has changed here. I did water cool this, so if you want to see how I water cooled this, then I also have a video on that, so check it out. I am just in love. And like the streamers always change everything. Like the streamers make it look so much better. And then I also have this little pygmy puff from Harry Potter. Down here, I keep my DJI gimbal. I don't use it that much, to be honest. I could have used it for this video. Duh. And I also got another keyboard I'm testing here. One thing that has changed from the previous room tour are these displays here. Basically, these are 3 Billy bookcases, and they're in this beautiful silver color. I don't know how to describe it. It is so nice. And in here I have a lot of items. I could also do a video on what I have inside here if you are interested, but it's mostly a bunch of Lego, my 3 degrees. I recently graduated with a PhD in computer science, so that's why I have this here. So yeah, the best thesis defense is a thesis offense. Changed my mind, hahaha. Okay, so yeah, my Lego, some Minecraft things, some books, some sweets, etc. And here are also a few Lego kits which I lit up. The problem is that, yeah, I can't light up the whole castle because they don't have light kits for it. So I only lit up the first part. And by the way, this is a mini scale Hogwarts castle, not the micro scale. So this is the one you combined from multiple Harry Potter sets. I'm not sure if you can get them anymore. I think some of them are discontinued. Then here's like lit up Dobby, and here is my lit up Gringotts Bank. Guys, this took so long to build and so long to light up. I also have my Lego Arcade here, which is lit up, and also some books. I do have the Witcher books here and Dune, etc. But as I said, I can show you everything in a dedicated video if you would like to. And then here is also something that is a new addition to my room. So it's this mirror, and I didn't know like what to put on the wall. And obviously I wanted to still have good sound, and mirrors are reflecting sound, so it wasn't such a good idea, but I knew what I was getting myself into, and I don't think it changed the sound. It was a good idea in the end. I think it looks so pretty here. I also have like a light strip on top, and it's basically like doing the same effect as the matrix behind me. And yeah, here's also a place for my cat, because he likes to just chill here while I'm working. A little rack and also a plant. And yeah, here I know there are the cables, but I'm just too lazy to buy a cable box or something. And then here are my Nintendo slippers. Moving to this part, the only thing that's left here is my softbox, which I'm using to like light up my room when I'm doing any kind of content. So yeah, this is basically what it looks like now. I will probably be upgrading my desk, and the reason why is that this is a 160 centimeters long desk, But as you can see, my monitor is huge and I just don't have place for anything. And you can see how my work laptop is just like sticking out of the table because I need to like put the cables into the table. And yeah, it just doesn't fit anymore. And I would also like my PC to be on the desk itself so that I don't have to worry when I'm lifting the desk up, because yes, this is a standing desk. So I see how that will go. I would probably need like a 2-meter one, so I will see. Oh, and I totally forgot to talk about the rack. I previously had like a beige rack here, but it was pretty dark, and since I need to light up this room somehow because it is dark, it doesn't get much sunlight, and that I didn't want the whole footage to be kind of dark, that's why I put a lighter one here and for a little bit of pop of color. So yeah, that's it for my setup tour, for my update for what this room currently looks like. Yeah, if you want to see more of my life being a software engineer or a content creator, I would be very happy if you would subscribe to my channel. It allows me to inspire you to review cool tech, etc. So if that sounds good, then definitely like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!